In front of me is TCL Plex, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. Then hit voice typing and use gray switcher to activate it. Now go back to your keyboard and click on microphone icon at the top right corner. Hit allow and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can click on the same microphone or simply stop talking. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!